What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of ClearCryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's up, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, listen, guys, sometimes we cover education, sometimes we cover the story. The story of the day, there's been huge Congress hearings with the Democratic Party as well as over in the Senate. Today was the Senate hearing, and Kevin O'Leary was actually speaking on behalf of FTX. Now, I don't know if he was actually speaking on behalf of FTX, but he was definitely giving his opinion. And today we're going to go over some of those opinions today.
All right. So, the FTX exchange's demise had put several people on the radar. Millions of users lost their life savings, which really sucks. However, the celebrities and other personalities who promoted FTX were also under scrutiny. Kevin O'Leary, a Canadian entrepreneur and television personality, aka Mr. Wonderful, you've probably seen him on Shark Tank, recently spoke on CNBC about how he received $15 million to be the spokesperson for FTX. He also addressed the fact that he lost all of it as the exchange crumbled. O'Leary also mentioned that he fell prey to group think. He also mentioned that over 1 million of FTX equity that he held is now worthless. So he is a little upset at the fact that he lost all this money in FTX, but he was testifying to Congress today. And here's what he said. So during the testimony at the Senate hearing, Patrick Joseph Toomey Jr., the United States Senator, asked O'Leary what he believed to be the cause of FTX's fall. He said, I have an opinion. I don't have the records. These two behemoths that own the unregulated market together and released incredible businesses in terms of growth were at war with each other. And the other one put the other one, or and one put the other one out of business intentionally, right? O'Leary stated that Binance is a massive unregulated global monopoly. He also stressed that Binance put FTX out of business. However, many would disagree with his opinion. I'm being one of them, and I think Hobbs also would agree, as FTX collapsed due to the improper handling of customer funds. FTX was one of the largest cryptocurrency players. The unforeseen fall of the exchange triggered FUD among investors. The slew of events also lured investors to choose self custody over centralized exchanges. Now, the biggest thing that I want to hit on is the fact that FTX did not fall just because of Binance and CZ. They fell because they were a messed up business that were mishandling their funds, their customers' funds, by basically they were investing their customers' funds in very risky investments, and they lost all their money. Now, Binance gave that whole thing a push when CZ came out and said, I'm selling their tokens. So yes, Binance definitely helped, definitely accelerated the process, but FTX basically collapsed itself. It would have happened one way or the other. I just think that CZ sped the timeline up. But Hobbs, what do you think?
I'd have to agree with you. CZ did help that process, and it's not, CZ's or Binance's fault. However, what I did want to add to this is go back and read and watch this entire hearing for yourselves because people are giving Kevin O'Leary a hard time. And again, he's not my cup of tea either. However, opinions aside, objectively speaking, he did really well defending crypto as a whole. There were a lot of people on that panel in that Senate hearing that want to see crypto die, want to see crypto go away. They don't want to see crypto integrated into the banking system, i.e., they don't want to see crypto even get regulated because they know that that signifies a step up for crypto. If it gets regulated and banks actually, incorporate it into their systems, then that means it officially becomes a new asset class. That's what Kevin O'Leary actually went there to advocate for. And I think that he did a really good job doing that. So definitely go back and watch the whole thing. Don't just worry about the clippets that you see on Twitter or the articles that you read on Watcher Guru. So do your own research and find out for yourself exactly what this hearing was about. Those will be my thoughts.
Yeah, no, I 100% agree. They do like to clip things out of context sometime. However, in this case, I'm not giving Kevin O'Leary a pass. I can't do it just for this one topic. I think he's reaching a little
uh,
bit too far. So,
I
that's
don't think
just
I'm
my
necessarily
opinion.
giving him a pass. I don't know. Let us know what you guys think in the comments section down below. And don't forget to hit the like button on this particular video if you like what you see here. That being said, we're going to go ahead and get out of here, and we're going to catch you guys on the next video. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you on the next episode of Clear Cryptos Education. Peace.